Hello students, in this video we will discuss about solution of exercise 12.3 from the chapter area related to circle. In this video we will discuss about the solution of question number 14, 15 and 16. So let us start with question number 14. The question is AB and CD are respectively arcs of two concentric circles of radius 21 cm and 7 cm, and the center is O. If angle AOB is equal to 30 degree, find the area of shaded region. Okay, so if you look at the picture, if you look at the diagram, okay, there is two concentric circles. Concentric circles means the center of both the circles are same, okay, and there is two concentric arc AB and CD. This one is one concentric arc and this one is another concentric arc. Means for AB and CD the center is same, which is O. O is the center for both the arc AB and CD. Now you have to find the area of this shaded portion. In the question also given that the radius of this smaller arc is equal to 7 cm and the radius of this bigger arc is equal to 21 meter. So for the smaller arc or smaller circle you can consider radius as R1 is equal to 7 cm, and for the bigger arc or bigger circle the radius is R2, which is equal to 21 cm. Okay, now you have to find the area of the shaded region. Okay, so how can you find? Look at here. In the question the angle of the sector for both is given as 30 degree. So theta is given as 30 degree and R2 is given as 21 centimeter. Okay, this one is 21 centimeter. So by using the area of minor sector, that is theta by 360 degree into pi r square, by using this formula you can find the area of this one. Done. Now the angle of the sector will remain same, 30 degree, and if you use R2 is equal to 7, sorry, R1 is equal to 7. Okay, now if you use theta is equal to 30 degree and R1 is equal to 7 centimeter, and if you put it in theta by 360 degree into pi R1 square formula, you can find the area of this minor sector. Now subtract the area of this minor sector from the area of this minor sector. Okay, so subtract this orange part from the blue part, you will get the area of this shaded region. Okay, in this way you have to solve it. So let's check the solution. Look at that, area of shaded region is equal to area of sector of bigger arc minus area of sector OCFD. Okay, the value, the angle of the sector will remain same for both portion, that is 30 degree. So 30 degree by 360 into pi into 21 square is for the bigger region, and minus this one is for the smaller region. Okay, if you subtract it you will get the area of the shaded region, which will be 308 by 3 centimeter square. In this way you have to solve question number 14. Now we will discuss about question number 15. In figure, ABC is a quadrant of a circle of radius 14 cm and a semicircle is drawn with BC as diameter. Find the area of the shaded region. Look at here, if you look at the first diagram, both the diagrams are actually same. If you look at this diagram, this ABC is a quadrant. Okay, that means this A angle is equal to 90 degree, Also the radius of the quadrant is given as 14. That means AB is equal to AC is equal to 14 centimeter. This one is equal to this one because A is the radius. AB is equal to AC is equal to 14 centimeter given. Now taking BC as radius, taking BC as diameter, there is another semicircle. Okay, taking BC as radius, there is another semicircle. You have to find the area of this shaded portion. Okay, this is the given condition. Now let's check the solution. First of all, radius of the sector is given as 14 centimeter, right? So you can easily find the area of this minor sector because theta is given as 90 degree and r is given as 14 centimeter. So I am finding the area of the sector by theta by 360 degree into pi r square formula, where r is equal to 14, theta is equal to 90 degree. So the area of this section will be 154 centimeter square. Okay. Now in the triangle ABC, AB is given as 14, AC is given as 14, and this one is a right angle triangle. So by Pythagoras theorem, you can find the value of BC, okay, which will be 14 root 2. Okay, that means the length of the diameter BC for this semicircle is equal to 14 root 2. Okay, now diameter is 14 root 2 means radius is equal to 7 root 2 for this semicircle. Now from the radius you can find the area of the semicircle. Okay, so you can easily find the area of this semicircle by half pi r square, where r is now 7 pi root 2. Okay, look at here. Diameter of the semicircle is 14 root 2, that's why radius will be 7 root 2. So the area of the semicircle will be half into pi r square, which is equal to 154 centimeter square. So you got two areas in this slide. First one is the area of this minor sector, only this minor sector. Okay, this one from here to here, this minor sector. And secondly, you find the area of this semicircle, right? But you need the area of this portion, right? So let's check the next slide. Now you will find the area of this triangle. As you can see here, this side is 14, this side is 14, so base is equal to 14, height is also equal to 14. So the area of this triangle will be half into base into height, which is equal to 98 centimeter square. Now the area of the shaded portion will be, now look at here. First of all, add the area of this triangle with this one, the area of the semicircle. Done. You are adding the orange portion with blue portion. That means you are getting the area of the whole figure. Now you will subtract the area of this minor sector from here. You will subtract the green portion from the area of the figure. Okay, when you are subtracting the green portion from the figure, you will get the area of the remaining part, that is this one, required shaded region. So the required shaded region is equal to area of ABC plus area of semicircle, that means area of this one plus area of this one minus area of the quadrant. just put the value, area of the shaded region will be 98 centimeter square. In this way you have to solve this question. Now question number 16, calculate the area of the designed region in figure common between the two quadrants of circle of radius 8 centimeter. Okay, so if you look at this figure, you have to find the area of this designed figure. Okay, this portion, you have to find the area of this portion, where given that there is two quadrant. This one is one quadrant, this ADC, that means this angle is 90 degree, and also given that radius is 8 centimeter. That means AD is equal to CD is equal to 8 centimeter. And this one is another quadrant. This B angle is 90 degree. Again AB is equal to BC is equal to 8 centimeter. Okay, there is two quadrant, one is blue one, another one is orange one, and you have to find the design, find the area of this design. Okay, so now let's check the solution. First of all, I will find the area of DAFC. Okay, I will find the area of DAFC, that means this portion. 1 minute. This one. As you can see, this one is a minor sector where theta is equal to 90 degree because it is a quadrant, and radius is equal to 8 centimeter. Look at here, 8 centimeter is given. So by using the formula theta by 360 into pi r square, the area of this blue region will be 352 by 7 centimeter square. Okay, now next you will find, okay, so what you got in the previous slide, you got the area of this whole portion, right? Now you will find the area of ADC triangle. Okay, you will find the area of this ADC triangle. As you can see, this ADC triangle is a right angle triangle because D is 90 degree. Base is equal to 8 and height is also equal to 8. Okay, so the area will be half into base into height, that is 32 centimeter square. Okay, now if you subtract the area of this triangle, from the area of the sector ADFC, if you subtract the pink portion from the blue portion, you will get the area of this side, this portion. You will get the area of this portion, right? So area of the segment, this one, area of the segment, this one is equal to area of the sector ADFC minus area of the triangle ADC. So area of the sector will be 128 by 7 centimeter. Now look at here, this portion and this portion both are symmetric to each other, because when you are taking this one as the quadrant, the radius is 8 centimeter and 8 centimeter. Similarly, when you are considering this quadrant, the measurement also same, 8 centimeter and 8 centimeter. So you can say that this portion and this portion are equal in area. This portion and this portion are equal in area. So if one is 128 by 7 centimeter, the area of whole shaded region will be 2 into 128 by 7, that is 256 by 7 centimeter square. Okay, in this way we have to solve question number 16. This was the last question from the exercise 12.3 and the last question of the chapter as well. So this is all for today. Thank you.